It's your girl Shayna J here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just in a really good mood, so we're just gonna hop into this video. So today is a initial review on this hair that I have in my head right here. I have in the loose wave hair. It doesn't specify what the origin of the hair is, but it feels like it's Brazilian, so I'm just gonna assume that it's the Brazilian loose wave hair. I got two 20 inches, an 18-inch, a 16-inch, and a 14 4x4 closure. Now this is the closure right here. It is not a frontal, even though I finessed it to make it look like a frontal with the, you know, baby horrors or whatever. But yeah, so this is the 4x4 closure. I didn't put any powder or anything on the part. All I did was bleach the knots. The closure bleached so beautifully, guys, like so beautifully. Now I am gonna insert a picture somewhere of how the curl pattern originally came. It was like really nice bouncy curls, and of course after I washed it, the curls dropped, and this is now the natural state of the hair. Of course I brushed it out so that it didn't look frizzy or anything, but it's not really much of a curl anymore. All it is just some loose waves. So this is the natural curl pattern of the hair. I don't know if I showed you guys the 20 inches on me, but this is what the 20 inches look like on me. I'm 5'3", so I feel like most hair looks longer on me than it would other people, but yeah. As you can see, just some really relaxed waves. I think this is a perfect medium for people that don't necessarily like super straight hair like me. I'm not really a fan of really straight hair. I need my hair to have some type of bump, some type of curl, some type of wave, something going on, because I feel like it just fits my face better. So this is a really good alternative for people that just want a little bit of something to their hair without having to do much. All I did to this hair was co-wash it, and then I let it air dry, and this is how it came out. Now there's no product in this hair. This is just straight up, you know, straight up co-washed, and the luster is absolutely beautiful. It looks super healthy, super shiny, super nice. Like shiny without being like, you know, overly shiny. The ends are really nice. So I still have a piece of the hair left. I have a little bit of track left. So I wanted to show you guys how the curl pattern was originally. So this is the piece. I didn't wash it or anything. This is how it came. A really pretty spiral curl, as you can see, and I did wear it like this for a little while, and then I was like, okay, let me see how it looks if I was to wash it. And I'm kind of sad that I washed it because the curls were really pretty, but I am going to recurl this hair. I just wanted to come at you guys firstly with a quick review about it, and then I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair. So the pros and the cons of this hair is super soft, guys. This hair is really soft. There's no tangling, honestly. There's no tangling. There's a little bit of shedding, just a little bit. I get like a strand or two every time I run my fingers through my hair, but the shedding is super minimal. It's not really crazy shedding, and it does not It does not tangle, y'all. Like, I have not had any tangling problems at all, not even in the nape of the neck area. It's just really free flowing. I don't have any trouble with tangling with this hair. And of course, the next con, which is probably the most important con, is that the hair loses its curl pattern once you wash it. Now, that is the case for all loose wave hair. The loose wave hair is usually processed to look like a curl, so that's why when you wash it, it loses most of the, you know, actual spiral curl. But I really like the fact that it did not lose its wave at all, so I'm really happy about that. At least it didn't get super bone straight. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think.